Hi, Professor Huang.
Hi.
My name is Chris. I figured I'd stop in and ask you a couple questions today.
Sure.
I'm kind of new on campus, so I figured I'd get to know you.
Uh-huh.
You've been working on a few large projects within your field of study, such as wave ducting in the MLT region. Could you briefly explain?
Okay, for the wave ducting, basically, it's just like when you just look at the atmosphere and also the Earth, you will see that there's a you can think of it as a channel. And so when they travel, sometimes they can be trapped within this channel. So when waves are trapped within this channel, they can propagate to long distance without any dissipation. So that's what we call wave ducting. Now in the atmosphere, we often found that there's some waves, when there's certain conditions that are good, then they form a wave ducting, a natural duct. Then the wave can propagate through thousands of miles and without any energy dissipation. Okay.
What is your experience with working with others on group projects?
I've been working with a professor, at Embry-Riddle University down in Florida. So he was my former boss, and also I worked at University of, I worked in Toronto at York University, and I've been collaborating with the people. They are well established in this field, and now I'm working collaborating with a group of scientists in Taiwan, working on their satellite data. And the collaboration has been quite successful as well. Yeah.
As a female physicist, do you often feel pressured by male colleagues?
You know what? When I was growing up, I've been very independent, and because my grades were always very good, so I never felt I would be pressured by my male colleagues, or male students. But as I growing up, when I got this position, and there's a lot of competitions, and sometimes as a female scientist, you'll feel that you'll feel actually pressured by male scientists, because the majority of them are male. So that's why, because when we submit a paper, our papers will be reviewed by other scientists. So in which case, when a lot of a lot of scientists that are male, then you will feel that you're not one of them. And I don't know if the gender will actually play a role when we are evaluated. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Do you have any advice for the rising female physicist?
I would suggest them just be themselves. I think I always I think I've been very lucky, because I have been myself. I never changed myself because I was under pressure, or because there's a peer pressure that I have to change myself in order to make myself more successful. And so I think be yourself, and don't feel intimidated by a male scientist.
I think talking with you has given me a good chance to see what you do around campus. And it was a pleasure talking with you.
Okay, me too.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.